What is going on, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here again, and welcome to the first video of 2022. I hope you all had a great new year and happy holiday season with family, friends, and loved ones, and I hope that you're ready to make 2022 into the best year yet. I know here at the Vargas team, and especially at this channel, we're ready to provide you guys with as much content and valuable information as possible about the real estate market, which is exactly what this channel is about. So if you're new here, first and foremost, welcome. We provide you real estate information in Miami, more pertaining to property tours and other valuable information. So if you're interested in knowing more about the Miami real estate market in all facets, then consider subscribing to the channel and look no further. We post a weekly video once a week, so make sure you hit that notification bell as well to stay up to date. And for those of you who have been following me, welcome back. Thank you so much for making it to 2022. We're excited to share with you all the new things that we have in store for you. Kicking this video series off and really kicking off 2022, we have a brand new property tour of a single family home in Doral, listed at $1.2 million. It's a 5-bedroom, 5-bath and a half. It's 3 stories and it has a rooftop terrace. If that sounded like a lot of bonuses and just a feature-packed home, that's because it is. There's plenty of things in this home that I want to share that make this home very, truly, uniquely special. So stay tuned for that because we're going to jump right into that property tour. But as always, before we do, if you like the content in this channel, in this series, and you've been following along for some time now, then make sure you click that like button and give me a thumbs up, because that truly helps me out by telling YouTube that this type of content is what most people want to see, and that way I could get my brand and my name out there. So that truly helps me out a lot. That is the reason why I do these videos. So if you have supported me in any facet whatsoever or want to support me, that is the best way of doing so. And if you're new here, you're under no obligation to do that. But if you do see a couple of videos and you like the content, then obviously that would help me out tremendously. And the Christmas tree behind me, because I know some people are going to be asking me about that. Yes, it is January. Here at the Vargas household, we're still in the holiday spirit. We usually don't throw out that tree until about 2 months or 3 months into the new year. You know, don't at me, bro. It's just what we do. We really like to extend the holiday season. I know some people throw it out on the 1st of January, but if you are like me and like to wait and extend the holiday season and throw it out later on into the beginning of the year, let me know in the comment section below. I know I cannot be the only person out there that does that. I haven't really met a whole lot of people, but that's besides the point. I know you guys will definitely have my back in that. So if you do, comment below, let me know. And without further ado, because I know this is getting into a very long-winded intro, let's get into today's property tour. And as always, guys, enjoy.
Welcome back to Doral. If you've been following this channel for a while, then you know it's been some time since I last posted a Doral property tour video, and wow, has the market changed substantially since then. The Doral housing market saw a 23% increase in value in 2021 alone, and the average home would sell after just 59 days being on the market. Doral was always one of the few neighborhoods in Miami where you can still find a fairly priced home in a great area. However, given the competition in today's market, that no longer seems to be the case. One can mostly attribute the spike in appreciation to the overall influx of new residents Miami gains on a day-to-day basis. However, you also can't overlook the impact that new places of interest such as Doral City Place and downtown Doral have in drumming up interest and overall the increase in appeal. You couple that with the fact that this home in particular is a stone's throw away from those two hotspots in a modern build home like this one, and you have what I would like to say is the best $1.2 million you can spend in Miami housing market when it comes to value. There is so much for us to get into and so much that I want to show you in this video that it was almost difficult to find a place to start. As I mentioned earlier, this is a 3-story single family home with a rooftop terrace, so this will be one of the longer tours in the series, but I highly recommend that you stay until the end so you don't miss out on any of the bonuses that make this property one of my favorites in some time. So it seemed that the most logical place to start is on the ground level, and immediately 2 things pop out that I really like about the space. The first is the white flooring, which is a top option for any modern design. It helps bring out the luxurious feel this home was created for and really works with the darker tone wallpaper for a beautiful contrast. But if I'm being honest, one of my favorites has to be this glass enclosed wine room. Most homes may have a wine cooler, likely found in the kitchen, but the fact that this one intentionally positioned this wine room to be a focal point really draws my attention, and I think it was a very welcome addition. Even if you're not big into wine, you can't deny that it's aesthetically pleasing. Much like the wine room, the kitchen doesn't disappoint. Plenty spacious to meet all of your hosting needs. This oversized island and stovetop and vent hood overhead is the mainstay of the space. It's a bit of an oxymoron when it's in your face yet subtle at the same time. It's kind of hard to explain, but once you spend some time here in the kitchen, you will hardly notice it's there, all while bringing the space together. So making our way out of the kitchen, we reach the only full bathroom and bedroom on this floor. With its exterior access, this bathroom doubles as a cabana bath, making it very convenient for your guest, not to mention that it has a very classic and timeless design, which adds some warmth to the home. The room is just adjacent to the bathroom, and although it is the smallest of all the rooms in the house, the closet does what it can to maximize the space. Now, one thing that I did want to mention is the 2-car garage, which is not featured in this video. That is located on our right-hand side next to the entrance, and I didn't film that, well, because it's a garage, and I figured it's pretty self-explanatory and not all that exciting or interesting to see. But moving on, our next stop before making our way to the second floor is this half bath, which is really the guest bathroom. It's simple, elegant, and convenient, everything that you would come to expect to find with a half bath, especially at a property of this magnitude. So I really like the glass and metal railing staircase with the darker tone steps. It's a nice mix of different materials that when combined, bring the space together. The same can also be said about the wallpaper found throughout the home. Sometimes with these modern built homes, they almost feel too modern, where the space just feels cold and sterile. So to balance that out, you need to add pops of color and darker tones, and that will help bring warmth to the space, and really is the first step to turning a home, or a house rather, into a home. The master bedroom offers plenty of space, but it's really when you step into the master bath that you can feel the square footage work towards your benefit. The master bathroom pretty much has everything that you can possibly need, from a soaking tub right in the middle to his and hers dual vanity on opposite sides, and who can forget about this rain shower head stall with access from both sides as well. I honestly think that the bathroom was well designed. They even added nice touches of ambient light found throughout the mirrors that help enhance the entire luxury feel. So, what do you guys think? Is this the perfect bathroom? Is this something that you guys would say is bathroom goals? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm curious to get your thoughts on this. So you're probably thinking, a bathroom of this size would need to come with a walk-in closet, right? Well, luckily for us, the walk-in closet also does not disappoint. I promise you this video does not do this size justice. Take it from someone who has a lot of clothes. You should have no problem using this closet. The second floor encompasses the rest of the bedrooms, 4 in total including the master bedroom, which now leads us to the remaining 3 guest rooms. Now these next 2 rooms are very similar to one another, and aside from the obvious wallpaper accent wall found in this room, I would say they're pretty much mirror copies to one another, and that has to do with the fact that it's more function, as they both share the same bathroom. Now to me, this works perfect for siblings, as this bathroom offers ample space for both rooms, but then again, using one of these rooms as a home office, which of course is more common nowadays, can definitely work, as in any of these scenarios there's plenty of space for a litany of options. Both come equipped with built-out closets, and as a matter of fact, all the rooms here come with closets with the same feature, which then again maximizes the functionality and use of the space. This next and last room is also the largest of the guest bedrooms, and it is also set apart by the fact that it has its very own balcony. The glass in the balcony door provides for more natural light to fill the space, making it the brightest of the guest rooms as well, but it also serves as a great feature to get some fresh air. You may have already noticed, but it is the first of the 4 guest bedrooms that also has its very own ensuite bathroom, making it a major bonus. Now, before we make our way to the terrace, I did want to give you a quick overview of the property. The entire home has 5 bedrooms, 5 baths and a half, and it has 3,900 square feet of interior space. This of course does not include the roof terrace, which I'm about to show you, and the entire home sits on a 5,000 square foot lot. I mention all of this because I feel that it's important to note that this terrace is not included within the livable space. However, it does offer a lot of functionality and use. So whether using the hot tub completed with its own private deck or grilling for that next sporting event, this entire terrace offers plenty of space for that next gathering, and to me works out to be a great feature. One which after seeing it, it's hard to imagine going back to a home without something similar. Now, if you've been paying attention, you may have noticed I said 5 full baths, yet so far we've only seen 4. And it's because the 5th and full bath is located on this terrace, which makes it super convenient and a great use of the space. Honestly, after you have a full bathroom here, it's pretty hard to imagine this terrace without one. Please help out the channel by giving this video a like and a thumbs up if you found value from the content. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly content as well, and continue watching more videos by clicking any of the videos you see here on screen. See you all next week. Take care and God bless.